Hey, a few weeks ago, I found this nest. It was triangle, and it was just like really odd. But now it's all squished down. It's been raining for a few days. It could have been that, or it could have been because the birds have been going in and out working on it. There goes a firework. Happy 4th of July! Whoop whoop! Yeah, it's really odd. It's in this shed at my grandma's house. Yeah. So yeah, tune in like soon, cause next week I'm going to make another video seeing if there's like an egg in it or something. So yeah. Bye. Talk to you later. Comment, rate, subscribe.